Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Alamein. I'm a front-end web developer, and today in this video guys, I'm going to be walking you through the process of creating a Paystack payment gateway, and it's super easy and free. Right now, this is the test payment gateway that I created, and I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a new one, so you can set up payments for probably your products, great for online vendors, a one-time payment for something like selling a course, and a recurring payment like a subscription payment like Apple Music, Spotify, or Netflix or anything, a subscription payments. And I'm going to be walking you through the process. So first things first, you have to head over to paystack.com. If you don't have an account, you have to sign up for an account. Then I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. So while I'm logging in guys, can you just do me a favor and hit the subscribe button down below this video? You can also hit the like button for more awesome videos, and to help me push these videos up out to more users or more people that need to see it. So I'm logged in now, and all you need to do is just click complete the full verification process, and once you're done, you're good to go. Then all you just have to do is come over to payment gateway down there. Then once you're done, you can just click on create new page. Then this way, what I mentioned earlier, a one-time payment is great for something like a course or anything. Then a product payment is for people that sell things online, probably like this is WhatsApp, online WhatsApp vendors, right? It's very great for them. And subscription payment is for recurring charges or payments such as Netflix, Spotify, or Apple Music, or anything that needs to a subscription payment. So I'm just going to go with a one-time payment here. Let's assume I'm selling a course to people. Now let's just name this YouTube. I'm just naming it YouTube. Then a description, just add a description that fits perfect what you're doing. Then you can add an image if you want to, but I'm not going to add an image here. So I'm just going to show you guys how to create it. So this is where you choose you want a fixed payment amount on this page, or then you have to click on it. Then enter the amount you are trying to charge them. So I'm just going to go with 1,000 naira here. Then you can just collect phone numbers from people that are making payments. Let's assume you're adding them to a forex trading group that you need to collect payments from them. You can also do that. You can collect their phone number for you to add them to a WhatsApp group or anything. Or if you just want to contact them for more future purchases or courses or anything, you can collect their phone numbers on this page. And advanced options, this is where you get to customize your payment link and all that. So you can just go with YouTube. Okay, so this is the link you're going to share. Apparently this URL is unavailable. You can just go to YouTube. See, I don't know, just any URL, customize the URL to anything you feel like. Then success messages. This is the message that will be shown to users after they pay through your gateway. So you can just congratulations, just congrats. Then send notifications to, you might want to provide your email right here if you want to get notifications for every payment that is being made through your gateway. So if you just want to do that, you can just click on, and you want to collect any extra information from your users, from people that are trying to pay through your gateway. If you want to collect, so you can just add another field and give it a name, right? So once you're done with the order, you can just click create, and voila, your page has been created. Obviously this is the test page now I'm trying to use to demonstrate for you guys. Then visit your page. Then this is how your page is going to look like when you share the link to anybody that are trying to anybody that wants to pay through your subscribe to your course or anything. This is how it's going to look for them. Before I round up this video, I just want to you guys take a minute to hit the subscribe button down below this video, comment down below this video also. I'm going to show you guys how to do this through Curl. They also have APIs, awesome APIs that you can work with. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to work with that later on. I'll be making a video on that too. Thank you guys, peace out. Yeah.